Alright guys, you want some food? Why are you... Shirley? Don't eat my food, my phone. Alright, come on. Let's get some... Laverne! No. What the hell? Who slides their body along it? Come on. Look how round you are. Okay? Let me get the food. Girl. Get on. Oh my god. Get out. Oh god, you guys are gonna lock me in. You want some? Oh, little Arthur and Shirley. I'll get you just a little freshness. There you go. Laverne's over there being a winch. Oh, as it's blowing in the wind. Yes. Great. Yeah, there you go.